I'm just telling you. Say it was $400. So they're going to put that on hold on your credit card. Then when they receive your phone back, what they're going to do is say, okay, well, we just going to charge them $30 to fix it. So we're going to take out the $30 from the $400 and give you the rest of the money.
Okay, let me ask you a question before we go any further. Okay, I just asked you, is my phone under warranty? You said yes, it's still under warranty. And my phone is already paid in full. I own it. It's my phone, not yours. So why in the world would I want to give you money to fix it when it's under warranty, first of all? And why would you want a $400 deposit just to hold?
I just gave you an S. I didn't say that was the price. I was just giving you an example. I didn't say
I know,
that was the
but
price.
I don't understand your example. If I own the phone and I'm under warranty, why do you need any money from me? Why can't I just mail it to you and you look at it and fix it? Because I'm under warranty. That's what the warranty stands for. Why am I giving you any money at all?
Okay. Hold on, sir.
I'm really confused.